A 4K monitor is essential for gaming, work, or streaming, but not all are the same. Some cater to gamers with fast refresh rates, while others suit graphics pros with accurate colors. In this video, discover the benefits and pitfalls of 4K displays and explore our ranked selection based on rigorous testing. And for more information, the products, we've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Rounding off our list of the best for overall experience in terms of price and performance, the Benq Mobius X3-10U is a standout choice for those seeking a 4K gaming monitor with HDMI 2.1 compatibility. Ideal for pairing with consoles and top-tier graphics cards. It comes at around $650 in Amazon. This monitor is featuring an IPS panel renowned for vibrant color accuracy and supporting HDR10 and VESA display. Her 600. This monitor delivers stunning visuals. Its HDRI feature enhances gaming immersion by dynamically adjusting settings for optimal viewing. While its contrast may lack due to limited dimming zones, the TrueSound speakers by Trevolo offer rich, stereo audio, complemented by a built-in microphone with noise-canceling capabilities. The convenience of a remote control makes navigating settings effortless, particularly for users transitioning from gaming on TVs to desktop setups. While not budget-friendly, the Benq Mobius X3-10U's price aligns with similar 4K monitors, offering a visually captivating experience sure to impress most users outside of those accustomed to old displays. Securing the next spot is for console gaming, the Inzoni M9 monitor. A 27-inch IPS 4K HDR gem with a sleek aesthetic, perfect for pairing with the PS5. In Amazon, it comes at around $700, unlike competitors. It boasts numerous ports for seamless connectivity between PC, PS5, Xbox Series X, or even the best Steam Deck dock without cable swapping. The Inzoni Hub app simplifies settings adjustment and display mode switching, bypassing the hassle of reaching behind the screen. PlayStation users benefit from auto-swapping between cinema and game modes and HDR optimization, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Performance-wise, it excels with stunning visuals, smooth motion, and vivid colors, making it an exceptional choice for enhancing your setup, particularly for PS5 enthusiasts. Next on our list for budget-conscious gamers, the Gigabyte M8U stands out as the best choice for 4K gaming. It comes at around $400 in Amazon. Despite the rarity of budget and 4K together, Gigabyte delivers an affordable yet impressive IPS panel. Its 28-inch display offers crisp visuals and vibrant colors, enhancing gaming experiences like Deathloop. However, its HDR performance may not match premium options. Remarkably, the M8U includes features like a rear USB hub for cable management, although its stand feels somewhat plasticky and lacks flexibility. Nonetheless, given its price, sacrificing some stand quality is understandable. The M8U has proven its reliability over 2 years of use, making it a solid investment for gamers with capable graphics cards seeking excellent performance without breaking the bank. Coming to next top spot for premiumity in 4K, the AOC Agon Pro PD3 to M emerges as one of the top contenders in the realm of 4K gaming monitors. It comes at around $990 in Amazon. With an impressive array of specifications, including a 32-inch IPS panel, 140 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, mini LED backlight, 600 nits brightness, and VESA certified display. Her 1400, it offers a premium gaming experience. The performance is exceptional, delivering superb visuals and smooth gameplay. Its extensive connectivity options, including HDMI 2.1 support, make it an ideal choice for high-end consoles like the PS5 or Xbox Series X. While its size demands ample desk space, the sleek design exudes sophistication. However, unnecessary features like RGB lighting and the challenge of optimizing brightness for various uses may be drawbacks. Despite its hefty price tag, considering its comprehensive specs and stellar performance, the AOC Agon Pro proves to be a worthwhile investment for serious gamers. Finally, the top spot for best big curved gaming monitor with dual 4000, the Samsung 57 Odyssey Neo G9 stands at the pinnacle of gaming monitor technology, offering an unparalleled immersive experience. In Amazon, it comes at around $1,800 with its expansive 57-inch display, dual ultra-high-definition resolution, and groundbreaking mini LED technology. It delivers stunning visuals with deep blacks and vibrant colors. The Odyssey Neo G9's 140 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time ensure buttery smooth gameplay, ideal for competitive gaming. Its 100 or curvature wraps around your field of view, pulling you deeper into the action for a truly immersive experience. Quantum HDR 2000 enhances contrast and brightness, bringing every detail to life. Equipped with HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4, it provides seamless connectivity for gaming consoles and high-performance PCs. The Odyssey Neo G9 is not just a monitor. It's a gateway to a new level of gaming immersion and enjoyment. In conclusion, offers a diverse range of gaming monitor catering to various needs and preferences. Hope you will find from these versatile. If you enjoy this video, then definitely subscribe us for new content. See you again. Peace out.